Hey everyone, Peter here for HHO Vienneau. Just a little video to introduce a company and the product it offers to help vehicles attain a 30% fuel economy and up to 90% emissions reduction. What we offer is what's called a hydrogen generator. It uses water, turns it back into gas, and introduces it back into the engine to achieve a cleaner burn and help save in fuel economy. Roughly 30%, that's what we're aiming for. Different vehicles achieve a little more. Some roughly that amount of 30% is the number we try to achieve. Just a little video, as I'm saying, is to explain the vehicle I'm using. Sorry for a little stutterness. I am running this on a 2000 F-150 7700, more likely like a heavy-duty half-ton. It is a 5.4 liter V8, which used to have about 15 miles per gallon. To show different bolt patterns, so it is a heavy-duty F-150. It has 410 gears, so it does have lower gears for pulling, and so it does turn fast on the highway. So just to show, it's an old beater. So she, like I said, she achieves about 14, 15, and on a good day, maybe 16 miles per gallon. Now, running this setup that the company offers, Dry Self, which is this little product here, that's inside the compartment, the hood compartment, with a 1 quart water reservoir. Distilled water, de l'eau distillée. This is our fuel. Water is fuel. Start the truck up, show how this thing starts, how this thing runs. Fires right up. It itself comes with the Volvo VP15. It's a chip to tell your computers that fuel that we're supplying it, which is hydrogen, is very clean, and it will mess with your oxygen sensors because you're over oxygenating your engine a little bit because you're passing the oxygen as well. And it just tells your computer we're fine, everything's nice, keep operating as you should, don't send more fuel. So we're running right now at a 18.6, 18.7, and that's where I'm trying to achieve right now, is that 18, 19, even a little, maybe 20, because I've seen a video of a gentleman online running this setup on a 2003, I believe, same style pickup, but a 4.6 instead of a 5.4. He achieved his best mile per gallon gain at 19 amps, 19.2 he said. So I'm trying to mimic his amp rating, so I can see if what type of gains I get. But since it's 5.4, I imagine I might need a little bit more because I have a little bit more cc's, cubic centimeters. A bigger engine, a bigger V8. We'll go inside the hood, show you roughly what the setup looks like. Bear with me that this is very crude. I just threw it in there. I want to make sure it ran. I can replumb it properly and make sure it's nice and looking clean. It's still pretty clean. Now this is a vent tube for humidity that just falls right out. Here's the reservoir, 1 quart reservoir that is wrapped with a heat trace, plumbing heat trace, because in Canada, here in northern Canada, we have freezing weather, so once we're not running, we just keep it plugged in. Heat trace keeps it all warm. And the cell is on the bottom here on the frame. It's all wrapped in insulation right now, because I noticed that even if the kit was running and I was driving, the cell and the water and the quart itself was starting to get very cold and pretty much close to freezing point. Show the inside. You'll probably start to see gas coming out right away. I just want to show you exactly what it is. There it is. Here's water turned back into gas. Here are the bubbles created. These bubbles are just redirected into the air intake. It's supposed to take out water as you can. This is all just piping, insulation pipe for plumbing, because, like I mentioned, northern Canada, it's nice and cold. January, I got 3.5 feet of snow. Can't wait for spring. So, here it is, ladies and gentlemen. I just wanted to show a little introductory video of the product that the company offers. Now, this is applicable for any type of vehicle. Either it be a big truck, Sunfire small car, diesel vehicle, a small Jetta or a big truck, or heavy equipment. Same thing. We just have a bigger core, a bigger generator itself. Even for gentlemen over there that's snow blowing right there, commercial grade equipment, we have a product that applies to that as well. So for more information, for more questions on the product, feel free to ask and send me a message on Facebook. I'm just going to show you a quick exhaust clip, because what comes out of the exhaust is vapor and water. There is soot right now because it's a 300,000 kilometer truck, so there is going to be carbon deposit coming out of the engine. But I'm tasting it right now and it's just vapor. There is no exhaust smell at all. It does smell for the first 30 seconds a minute once you start your truck up, but once the system is full running and your truck's warmed up, there is no emissions. You don't smell them. You can have your truck in the garage for 20 minutes and there's nothing. So again, feel free to ask any types of questions on the products offered at HHO Vienneau, and see you soon.